Hey guys, what's up? We are here at the Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hey guys, welcome to the Downtown Grand. Let's get ready for the video.
It already seems pretty bright. Ugh.
Right when we first walk in, it's hot.
Oh, I thought it was Timberwolf. You got me really excited. Now I'm sad.
Sorry, going to the right.
To the right? Oh.
Little
Cashier. And it's a cartel. Respect their authority. Or no, oh no, that's security too.
Yeah. High limit slots is to our right. And security.
That's smart to put them next to each other.
Right. So the Grand has 495 new rooms.
Also has a Willy Wonka Dream Factory. So that's where you get all of your cash and charging phone stuff.
Someone asked about the phone charging places. So this little restaurant, Freedom Beat, it looks fancy in there.
Well, look, there's a bunch of records. That's cool. Yeah.
Looks to the right.
Okay.
Tiny sports book, huh? Bar right here. That's part of that restaurant, Freedom Beat.
Yep.
Second.
There's the art bar over there. Or here's check-in. It smells really good.
Let's check it out of the pool.
Okay.
It smells like, I don't know.
Oh, I gotta touch that. Whoa. No. Stop.
You're such a bully.
Well, no.
Downtown Grand Las Vegas is formerly the Lady Luck Hotel and Casino.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Oh.
Opening date 1964.
Oh, here's the fitness center.
Noble Restaurants, Freedom Beach, Triple George Grill, Sidebar. And then there's Hogs and Heifer Saloon is down below, I believe.
Why does this keep going up?
Hi!
I watch your guys' YouTube. Living in Las Vegas, right?
Yeah.
I see you. I'm the filming captain here.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Oh.
We're doing your...
I was, you know what? I was just on your YouTube channel probably 2 days ago, and I was just wondering. I was like, I wonder when they're gonna come to the Downtown Grand. Hopefully, I catch them
We're
in
here today.
Because I know you guys have been doing downtown recently, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
hey,
this video.
it's
Thanks for
awesome.
watching.
I recognized your voice, man.
Thank
Thank you.
Go check out our pool.
I heard your guys' pool is really cool. So.
Yeah, it's we got it fully staffed. We have cocktail servers. We have a full bar over here to the left. We provide all the towels for the guests.
Thank you for the tour.
Go ahead and enjoy. Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Aww, I love when I meet viewers. So the pool goes up to 4 feet, and this is it. But it's really cool rooftop. You get a good suntan up there.
That was really.
Cornhole over here in game. Cornhole.
Who's gonna win?
Oh, me. What
No
are you gonna be?
way.
Lemons or limes?
Okay. Oh, you're gonna hold it the entire time?
Yeah. There's no more.
Place that is yours.
Here, mine be here. Or wait, no, mine's not there.
No, you already said yours is right there. I would have won. Mom, you know you always get beat in this. Just don't. What are you gonna? Stop. Yeah, I won.
I didn't even get that.
You want to do cornhole too? Because I'll beat you in that too. So.
No. Anyway, here's the little pool shop. You can get food here, he said.
He says more like finger foods.
Yeah, snack.
Yeah.
And alcohol, of course. Gotta have alcohol in Vegas. Anyway, here's their shot. This Hogs and Heifers and the Pizza Rock is right across the street.
And sidebar.
Oh, sidebar, yeah.
The George Chipper Grill.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
There's a little walkway. How do we get over there? I like these pictures of those old slot machines.
They're drawings.
Yeah, I like them. Unless you paint me a pretty picture like that.
I just painted all those.
Good job. This would be nice to stay though. I feel like it's far enough to...
Yeah. So the what's that way?
I know, I don't know what this place is. Yeah, that's nothing like that.
Oh, that's this tower.
Oh, no.
What's in here? Please be nobody. That's the Fremont room.
Oh, it's like a conference room maybe?
Yep. I want to touch that.
Don't.
I missed.
Oh.
Mom, I have to be to the right.
Oh look, this is all made of dice too.
That's not. That's made of different types of dice. Okay.
There's the art bar. They have smoothies in there. Yeah.
This is one of like the nicest like Fremont hotels I've seen. Like,
Yeah.
It's like
I like it, and they're upgrading
you
it.
can't touch that.
You can touch the dice.
No, you're not.
I know that this is actually owned by a company from out in California called CIM Group.
Okay.
As I heard, it's being designed by one of the designers that helped design the Cosmopolitan.
Honestly, we've never been in here.
Really?
It was our first time ever coming in, and I was just like, why haven't we stayed here? Because we stayed out here last.
This is a really, really clean property, like.
Yeah.
And I know you guys know this was the Ladybug. I don't know if you
Yeah.
know this
I
was-
said look that up.
Yeah.
Did you find your ice?
Nope, we did not find our ice.
Well, it's gonna be, what floor you guys are on?
24.
24. It's gonna be on the 25th floor. So when you guys exit off, it's gonna be on your right hand side.
Thank
Go
you.
visit.
Thank you.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah, since this used to be the Lady Luck, they used to have a lot of smoking floors in both of these towers, but now we only have 2 smoking floors. So what they did was they wouldn't put ice machines on the smoking floors. They didn't want the ice tasting like smoke.
Oh, makes
So
sense.
that's why it's still set up like that.
Makes
Good
sense.
night,
Thank
guys.
you.
This is one of our suites right here. You guys can just step inside. These ones come with 2 bathrooms. We don't have like big old sink, but they kind of come pretty
Well, that's a
well
wet
set up.
bar,
The
yeah.
coffee, and then the fridge is down here. Some of these rooms, I don't know if this one is one of them, but some of these rooms do come in with like this is a jet tub, but they come with like a jet tub right in the middle of the room, so it's kind of like more romantic-y.
Ooh, fancy.
Got some nice little stand-up shower.
How many
and-
people take baths in a hotel room though?
I don't know. I probably wouldn't.
I wouldn't either. I used to work in a hotel, right? I wouldn't.
I don't think I'd be.
I don't think I would either.
And then these rooms typically always get like rented out by like people in their honeymoon,
Yeah.
weddings.
Oh, sweet.
So
Very nice.
yeah, this
So
is
nice.
this is a little. The other ones, the real nice ones, were taken, but I was able to get this one.
Okay, this is perfect.
They got a pretty nice.
Oh, look at the view. We need to come down and stay here.
Oh yeah, and sometimes you can get the rooms here as cheap as $30.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What's
I
your
mean-
resort fee? Do you have a resort fee?
It's
here?
$23.
Oh, so not bad.
This is it. Are you guys excited for the Circa?
It'll be different. It'll be interesting.
It's
They've raised it a lot since the
Mhm.
last time we've been down here. Look at that construction.
yeah, definitely.
They're going, yeah.
It's gonna be really nice. I'm
Yeah,
excited.
it's going to be interesting. I can't wait for them to redo Binions. I heard they're,
Oh yeah.
which, I don't know, well, you said you saw the video. It looked rough in there.
Oh, it's. I mean, I was seeing on your guys' video like the sink is just like super old school. The TVs they got in there. Yeah,
This is very cozy.
it's cozy and it got what you need. I mean, it got the living room. I mean, and then it's pretty nice when you got guests here. You can always just shut this too.
Yeah.
So.
Perfect.
Yeah, I mean, hey, if you guys ever want to come and stay here, you guys are more than welcome to. The regular one king bedrooms are really nice too.
Oh, yeah.
We actually have a few restaurants here too. We have Triple George, Freedom Beat. Freedom Beat, we have live music throughout the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there's live bands playing in the morning, and then in the afternoons, and then at nighttime. Hogs and Heifers. That's not part of us, but I mean, they kind of do some events too. That's kind of like
Yeah,
a
we
biker
saw
bar.
that. Uh-huh.
It's pretty
We
rowdy.
love
out
Pizza
there.
Rock.
Oh,
That's-
Pizza Rock is bomb.
Alright, well, thank you.
Yeah, it was a
very much.
pleasure.
I really appreciate
Nice
you.
meeting you guys. But if you guys ever
Yeah, we
come
come
in
here.
something, you guys know where to find me.
Perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
See you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Alright. Well, that was really cool.
Yeah.
We got a little room view too. Alright, so we're gonna do table games, guys. Blackjack. There's no minimum limit.
Limit.
$25 minimum on this craft table. $5
5
on
to
that one.
2,000.
$10 more.
500.
I can't. Someone wants me to always read if it's 2 to 10 or
10, 1,000.
as the max.
Yep. Here's furnace.
Little bar right here. Oh, this is cool. Plinko. 250,000 machine drawings every hour on the weekend.
Huh.
Cool. Everybody wants to play that.
Oh. Go.
Flat World.
That kid looks a little young.
Got goldfish. Tarzan.
Okay.
Alrighty. So, what did you think of the garden?
It's cool.
Nice. I like it small.
Yeah, cause like when you're like with Binions or not Binions, what do you Fremont? You have to walk through all the casino just to get to your room. Here, you walk to the back, you go over there,
Like right
you're in your
there.
room.
Yeah, and there's 2 different towers, right?
Yeah, and there's valet here. You don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah. Our parking is right across the street.
And they got Caesar, so you know it's like the best place ever. You
They got
know?
what?
Caesar.
Oh, yeah, Caesar. I was like, what? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of the Grand Hotel and Casino. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.